when I was coming out of grad school, I was asked by the Canadian government, this is a little while back, to participate in an exchange with the Mexican government on community development. So here I went to the Museum of Anthropology in Mexico City, trained me on how to work with native communities, and ended up in a community that was 8 hours walking away from the main road, walking into the Sierra Veracruz. And I was there for a year, doing community development work. I was there, so-called, to work with the community and help the community, and it ended up transforming my life and my aspirations. I went from being a political scientist, a political economist, to being most interested in learning. Some of you have been associated with graduate studies, and as I came back, found myself sitting in a room with 5 professors to defend my thesis. And they asked me very informally to kick off the conversation, so now that you've done your traveling, what do you think of your thesis? And my response was, I don't think it's worth the paper it's written on, which was not a very good way to start a defense. And there was a look of horror in my advisor's face, and he had the presence of mind of saying, well, if you don't believe this anymore, perhaps you could explain to us what you now believe, which was a brilliant way of reorienting the conversation. So I stood up at the whiteboard and explained that I believed that structural change was important, but that structural change without enabling and empowering the individual in becoming in charge of their own destiny through learning and capability acquisition was a pointless proposition. And community plays a key role in this.